In this question number 5, fourth part of exercise 8.4, we have to prove that 1 plus sec a upon sec a is equal to sine square a upon 1 minus cos a. And in this question, we will solve both the sides one by one. So, in LHS, we are given 1 plus sec a upon sec a. So we will convert sec in terms of cos, as we have already solved many questions in which sec, cosec, tan and cot we have converted in terms of sine and cos, because converting ratios in sine and cos makes the solution easy. So once again we will convert sec in terms of cos. So 1 plus sec a is 1 upon cos a upon 1 upon cos a. So here, if we take the LCM of 1 plus 1 upon cos a, it becomes cos a plus 1 upon cos a. Upon we have 1 upon cos a, so this goes into multiply and reciprocals, cos a upon 1. So here cos a cancels and we get cos a plus 1. Let this be your equation 1. Now in second part we have RHS, that is sine square a upon 1 minus cos a. Now as we know that sine square a plus cos square a is equal to 1 by trigonometric identity, that means sine square a is equal to 1 minus cos square a. So in place of sine square a, we will put 1 minus cos square a. So 1 minus cos square a upon 1 minus cos a. Now if we consider 1 as 1 square, because 1 square is 1 only, so 1 square minus cos square a resembles with a square minus b square. So we can use it as a plus b, a minus b. So we will be using it as 1 plus cos a, 1 minus cos a. I repeat, we have considered 1 as 1 square. So 1 square minus cos square a is equal to a square minus b square, that is a plus b, a minus b, upon 1 minus cos a. So here 1 minus cos a cancels. We get 1 plus cos a. Let this be second part. So by observing the first and second results, in first we got cos a plus 1, in second also we got 1 plus cos a. So both are same. That's why left hand side is equal to right hand side, hence proved.